how to set or change your profile picture on Duolingo. So if you want to set or change your profile picture on Duolingo, then first you need to open up your Duolingo application. Tap open your application, and once you've opened, make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, here on the bottom you will have the profile icon. You will have that avatar icon. Tap on that profile, and here if you have not set your profile picture, then you can simply tap on the plus icon, which is on the upper side of your screen. And once you tap on that, it will take you to create avatar option. So from here you can create your avatar. You can choose the skin tone, and then the eye color, the hair color, or the hair, and then the glasses if you want to, or the facial hair, or you can change your clothing color or your background. And once you've done that, you can go for done, which is on the upper right. So that's how you set, or that's how you make your profile picture or create your profile picture. But if you want to change your profile picture, then you can again tap on your avatar. And once you tap on your avatar, here it will again take you to the edit avatar page. So you need to simply choose the skin color again, and you can simply make all of the adjustments that you would like to make. And once you've done that, you can go for the done, which is on the upper right, and your profile picture will be changed. So that's how you set, or that's how you change your profile picture on Duolingo. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.